guys, let's go over this test question. You'll see it on the left side of the screen, and on the right side, you'll see my paper where I'll be working it out. The question reads, which equation is true when the value of A is negative 12? And then I have my answer choices. A is A divided by 2 plus 22 equals 20. B is 15 minus half of A equals 21. C is 11 minus 2A equals 17. D is 3A minus 19 equals negative 17. So the strategy I choose to pick is substitution, and I'm going to substitute in negative 12 every time I see A. And then I'm just going to use the order of operations to solve to see if my equation is balanced. So let's go through A first. I feel like I'm saying a lot of A's. Well, that's because, that's the variable. So negative 12 divided by 2. Please note here, let me just use a different color. That's going to be too much, I feel like. So negative 12 divided by 2. Do you see how it says A over 2? I'm substituting in negative 12 for A. Plus 22 needs to equal 20. So now I'm using order of operations. Negative 12 divided by 2 is negative 6. And now I'm doing negative 6 plus 22 to see if that equals 20. Well, negative 6 plus 22 is the same thing as saying 22 minus 6, which I know to be 16. And since 16 does not equal 20, A is not my answer choice. Moving on to B. 15 minus half of A, and instead of, I wrote A, half of A, and instead of writing A, I'm writing negative 12, right? Equals 21. So order of operations, let's multiply negative half times negative 12 first. Negative half times negative 12, I know half of 12 is 6, and then negative times a negative is a positive. So negative half times negative 12 is positive 6. 15 plus 6 does come out to 21, and 21 does equal 21. But you guys know we're going to go through the other answer choices, even though B is going to be our answer. C is 11 minus 2A equals 17. Negative 2 times negative 6. 2 times 6 is 12. Negative times negative is positive. And 11 times 12 is mental math. That comes out to 23. 23 does not equal 17. Lastly, D. We go through all the answer choices, guys, like even as students when you're test taking, because you want to prove that you have the right answer. Like you have to be full on confidence. So 3A, instead of writing A, I'm writing negative 12. 3 times negative 12 minus 19 equals negative 17. 3 times 12, mental math, I know to be 36. Negative times a positive is negative. Negative 36 minus 19, same signs, add and keep. So I know I'm going to add these two together, and I'm going to keep that negative sign. Mentally, I'm trying to add together 36 plus 19. Well, 19 is really close to 20, so I'm going to add 36 plus 20 is 56, and then just subtract 1, 55. So negative 55 does not equal negative 17. Therefore, D cannot be my answer. Whoop. Whoop. Do the same thing twice. So I proved that B is my answer. I am solid on that answer choice. We good?